Hello everyone, my name is Gifty and welcome to my channel, The Day's Delight. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious pepper steak. So here we have our boneless beef steak which has been washed already, and we're going to cut it into thin slices for our pepper steak. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to comment down below. Thank you. And now this is how our beef steak looked all sliced up. And now we are going to marinate our beef steak. So in my bowl here, I added some oregano, some soya sauce, some salt, some black peppercorns as well. And I'm going to add some corn flour as well. If you miss anything, I'm going to put all the ingredients down the list below. I added some ginger paste, some garlic paste as well, some crushed chili. If you want it more spicy, you can add more chili as well. I added all-purpose seasoning. You can also use any seasoning of your choice. And I added some baking soda to tenderize our meat. So we are going to season this for about 30 minutes and cook it later. So now we are going to create a slurry for our sauce, meaning we are just going to create a thickener for our sauce. So in my bowl here, I added some soya sauce, a bit of water, corn flour, and a bit of sugar. We're going to mix everything together and use it later. So whilst our beef is marinating, I'm going to chop up some bell peppers, and here I'm using some red, orange and green peppers. You can choose to use any vegetables that you want as well. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So on a medium-high heat, I added some olive oil to my pan, and I'm going to cook my beef steak for about 10 to 15 minutes. So now our beef steak has been cooking for about 15 minutes now, and we are going to transfer it into a different bowl, and we are going to start with our peppered steak. So on a medium-high heat, I added some olive oil to my pan, and I added a teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste, and we're going to cook it for about a minute as well. And I added a bit of Scotch bonnet as well, and I added my chopped onion, and we are going to cook it for about a minute. As you can see, it's been cooking for about a minute now, and I'm adding my chopped peppers as well. So this stage, you have to be putting everything together and stirring it as fast as you can. So you're going to stir everything together, and now it's been cooking for about a minute, and we are going to add our slurry. Yes, this is our thickener for our pepper steak. You need to try this recipe out. It's so delicious and so flavorful. So our sauce is thickened, and we are going to add our beef. Yes, so we are going to mix everything together and cook it for about 2 to 5 minutes. And now our peppered steak is ready. Imagine having this pepper steak with some plain rice. And thank you to all my lovely subscribers. Bye bye.